So here I'm going to demonstrate how to use Google Lens on a PC. I downloaded an image here. I'm going to right click on it and then click on Open With and open with Google Chrome. If that isn't an option, I'll click on Choose Another App and then navigate to that app. And once I find it, I'll tell it to open it. So Google Chrome has opened this image. Now I'm going to right click on it and click on Search with Google Lens. And Google Lens gives me the following information. That the image shows a no hitchhiking sign.